Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pidve. As you know that inside this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index, and we always drop free indicator in case you need some indicator to trade with. So guys, welcome to today's video. I want to show you another powerful strategy that you can use to catch up your spike and your scraping in markets. So this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frames, which is what you can be using. So guys, how you are going to be using this particular strategy is very simple, and this is a strategy you can use on all boom and crash index. It works on all boom and crash index, but make sure you are making use of it on 5-minute time frames. Make sure you are making use of it on 5-minute time frames, and your zoom level is the second zoom level. The second zoom level is what we are using to trade this particular trade. So how do we use this strategy to catch up our spike, to catch up our scraping market every time? So guys, this is the combination of two windows, and we have our first window to be this one, and our second window is our RSI. So we are having two RSI here. We have the first one to be confirmed, which is at this level. So we have the two level, which is 80 level. We have another 20 level. And also in the first window, we also have 90 level, and we also have 20 level. So these are the level that you are going to be checking all the time. So how do we use this particular strategy to trade? So the first indicator window here that we have here, anytime we have our moving our yellow line here to be on the level of a 20 level, that is to tell us that we have confirmed a trend that is coming, which is we are going to be catching up a spike very soon. But you have to wait for this second window, especially for the blue line to reach in between the 10 level and the 15 level. You can see that. So immediately your blue line cross over closer to the 20 level, then this is the right time for you to take your trade. So let me explain how to use it again. So this is how you are going to use it. You wait for the first indicator to reach your 20 level. After confirming that particular level at your 20 level, then you wait for this blue line to reach closer to your 20 level here, closer to your 20 level, or it reached the 20 level. This is the best time for you to enter for your spike entry. So if you are also want to use it for your scraping, then you must also let the yellow line touch the 80 degree, then wait for your blue to reach your 90 degree. So this is the level you need to take. So you can see here that we have our yellow line at this range that reach our 20 level. That's the first confirmation. Then the second confirmation is that you are going to wait for the blue line to reach something like 25 or 15 range. So that is it, very close to 20 level. That is this level that you are going to catch up your trade. So we can also see something that happened here. We can see that our trade here reach our 20 level, which is our confirmation on the first window. But if we check here, we will see that our blue line is not yet closer to the 20 level. So that makes us to check that we are not taking this particular trade. So but we need to wait for our confirmation at this level. You see, it reach it confirm, then you wait for it to be closer to the 20 level before you enter for your spike entry. So that's how that particular things works there. We can also see something here too. Okay, for the scraping now, this is how to make use of it for scraping. You can see it reach our 80 level. There's our confirmation. But if we check it very well, we can see that in that particular place, we can see that this is our level of 80. We can see that, but our blue line is still here. So we need to wait. We need to wait till it enter the 90 level before we can enter for we can enter for scrape down. So that is how it works. So let me show you guys some more example on how this works. Okay, we can see something here, something is also here. We can see that we have our confirmation here. Even the yellow line even go below the 20 level, and that is right time for you to know that something is coming. Now at this particular range now, we can see that the blue is not yet closer to the 20 level, but at this range now, between this range, we can see that it's more closer. You can start open your trade around this level because you know that something great is coming, and before you see, boom, down, it boom on the uptrend. So let me show you more example of it that we can say. Okay, we can see something like this also. We see something like this. You see our confirmation here, which is our downtrend, and we also have something like this. You see a closer entry between the 80 level, and that is to tell us that our trade is going to come on a downtrend. So this strategy really works. All what you need to do is to take your time to study how it works. Same principle also happen here. Our first confirmation is confirmed on the 20 level, so just wait for the blue line to reach that particular zone, and you are going to catch up your spike on a daily basis. So guys, this actually works on boom 500. It also works on boom 300, and it also works on crash 1000 and crash 500 and 300. So all what you need to do is to study how this particular indicator works. So don't forget, you have to confirm it on your first indicator window first. Make sure you reach that particular level that you want, like what is happening here now, you can see, and wait for your blue line to move closer to that particular entry, and then this is your right time to take your trade. And before you know it, you keep on catching up your spike on your daily basis, guys. So now let me show you the setup of this indicator. We have the first RSI, which is our indicator first, which we have our period to be 40, apply to close, we have level to be 20 and 90. That is it. So we have our red line here. You can also change it because all those things are based on the movement of the trend of the market. So we also have our envelope here. We have the period of 14. We have shift to be 0. We have 0.100. We have method to be simple. We have apply to close. We also click on saved. So that is how you can do it. So we have our indicator window 2, which is our RSI 2. We have the period to be 14, apply to close, and we have level to be 2080. So you click on saved. So immediately you do that, you will have the same settings the way we have it here on the chart. So don't forget, wait for your first indicator window 1, confirm it there, then wait for your second indicator 2 to confirm your trade. And your take profit, you can take it at the level of 50 at this range. You can also take it at the range of any indicator of the two. So that is how it works. So guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also join our Telegram group to get access to free indicator and free tips on trading boom and crash. Thanks.